In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sticky notes in FigJam. Sticky notes are one of the fastest ways to capture ideas, organize feedback, and run quick brainstorming sessions in FigJam. They're simple, colorful, and easy for everyone on your team to understand at a glance. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find them, how to place them on your canvas, and a few practical tips to keep your board clean and readable. First, open your FigJam board. You can use an existing board or start a new one. Either way, make sure you have edit access so you can add content. Give yourself a clear area to work in. If your canvas looks busy, zoom out to get the big picture, then zoom back in on an open spot where you want your notes to live. You can pan around by clicking and dragging on the canvas so you're working in a comfortable view. Next, look to the main toolbar on the left side of the screen and click the sticky note tool. The icon looks like a small square note. Once selected, your cursor will switch to placement mode. Move your cursor over the canvas and click once to drop your first sticky note. As soon as it lands, you can start typing. Keep your message short and clear so it's easy to scan. Think a headline or a single idea per note. After you've added text, you can style the note to make it stand out. Use the formatting options that appear to change the color, which is great for clustering ideas by theme or priority. Drag the corners to resize if your text needs a little more room, and click and drag the note itself to reposition it. If you need more notes, repeat the same action with the sticky note tool or duplicate an existing one to keep consistent sizing and color. A few quick tips to keep your board readable. Choose high contrast colors for important ideas. Align notes into neat rows or columns so patterns are easier to spot, and leave comfortable spacing between clusters so different topics don't blur together. If you're collaborating, remember that multiple people can add sticky notes at the same time, so it helps to agree on a simple color coding rule before you begin. And that's it. Open your FigJam board, click the sticky note tool, place your note, type, and style it as needed. With just those steps, you'll be able to capture thoughts quickly and keep your team aligned. Thanks for watching and happy jamming.